In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a pivot table in Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your existing pivot table that carries over the same layout and formatting, ready to place wherever you need it. First, make sure your pivot table is visible on screen. Move your mouse slowly toward the pivot table's border. You're looking for the pointer to change to an arrow-style cursor that indicates you're targeting the entire pivot table, not just a single cell inside it. If you click when you only see a normal cell highlight, Excel will copy just the cell's value or formatting, not the pivot table object. So take a moment to hover along the edge until the cursor changes, then click once to confirm the whole pivot table is selected. You should see a selection outline that wraps around the entire object, not just one cell. With the pivot table selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. This tells Excel to duplicate the full pivot table object, including its structure, field layout, filters, and styling. It's a simple shortcut, but it saves you from rebuilding the same report from scratch. If your copy command doesn't seem to work, double-check that the whole pivot table is selected as described a moment ago, and try Ctrl+C again. Now choose where you want the duplicate to live. Click into the destination cell where you want the top left corner of the new pivot table to begin, making sure there's enough space so it won't overlap existing content. Leaving at least one blank column and a few blank rows around it helps avoid overlap warnings and keeps things tidy. Once you've picked the spot, paste with Ctrl+V. Excel places a full copy of the pivot table right there. If you get a message that the paste area isn't valid, simply click a different starting cell with more open space and paste again. A quick note about what you've just created. This duplicate references the same underlying data as the original, so it will reflect the same refresh results. If you refresh one pivot table, the shared data cache updates, and both will show the latest data. You can change the layout, filters, and formatting of the copy without affecting the original, but certain features like grouped fields may be shared because they rely on that common data cache. That's it. Hover until the pointer indicates the whole pivot table, press Ctrl+C to copy, and paste it wherever you want it to appear. It's the fastest way to create a consistent, reusable pivot table for side-by-side comparisons or alternative views.